Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can bank statements be verified? Types of financial information verified. Although the requirements can vary from bank to bank, some of the most common types of information required when verifying bank statements include account number, account type, such as a checking, savings, individual retirement account, IRA, or certificate of deposit, CD. How do banks verify documents? Most banks require address proof, identity proof, income proof documents, a duly filled loan application form along with passport-size photographs to process a personal loan. Documents verification process. The bank takes 1 or 2 days to analyze the documents provided and forwards it to the verification department. What is needed for bank verification? A scanned copy of a government-issued ID is required to complete banking verification. The entire document must be visible in the copy uploaded, including full name, ID number, photo, and expiration date. The document must be uploaded in color. Black and white scans will not be accepted. Document can be uploaded in. Can I edit a bank statement? However, PDF copies of bank statements can be altered or even completely fabricated. Or one can start with a genuine bank statement and use PDF editing tools such as Adobe Acrobat Pro and change the text in a bank statement to alter numbers, payees, and totals to reflect greater income and/or cash flows.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.